All right, so you've got a video and you want to put it into eLearn, but you want it to be just a little bit more interactive than just a passive video that students watch. Did they really even watch it? Maybe they just pressed play and went outside and made a sandwich or something. So this video is going to show you how to make an interactive video in eLearn. So let's get started. So here's my sample eLearn course. It's not important what it is. It's just a sample. It's a pretend. Okay, now I've got this video. All right, now we know how to insert videos into the into eLearn already, but we want to make it not so passive. We want to make it interactive so that we know that the students have watched the video. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to click share. You're going to grab this URL right here. So you're going to copy it. And technically I'm now done with that video page, but I'll leave it open just in case I need to go back. And then I'm in my course. I need to make sure I'm in edit mode. I know I'm in edit mode because I see the word edit all over and I see these pencils. If I wasn't in edit mode, it would look like this, and my little button way up at the top here would be green. So I just click on that green button. I am now in edit mode because it's red. And let's go in topic 6, okay? And that's where I want the video to be. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna see all of the activities, not just the ones I've starred. And I'm gonna choose interactive content right there. And let's give it a name. Let's give it a description. So video about llamas. All right. There is my description. Okay, so down here, I've got this wonderful list. It's a very long list. My list may look a little bit different than your list because it depends on which activities you've used in the past because it's sorted by recently used. You're going to click on interactive video. So you're going to click that and it's going to do a little bit of magic. Okay, right here, title, used for searching reports and copyright information. So let's do llama video. There's my title. Now down here, I need to click on that. Did you see that? I need to click on this add a video button. And I have a choice. I can either upload a video if I have that hard copy of the video, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to paste in the URL that I had copied from the YouTube website. I'm going to click insert. Now that I'm done, if I need to worry about copyrights and all that sort of stuff, I would put it there. But I'm now ready to move on to step 2, which is add the interactions. So I can either click up here, right here, or I can click, or I can click right here. They both go to the same location. You're now looking at the video. And what you do is typically I play the video and I'm keeping it on mute on purpose because I don't need you to hear it. So as I'm playing the video, when I get to a place right here, okay, when I get to a moment in the video where I want the students to interact with the video, I pause it. And then up here are my things that I can drag in or I can insert into the video. Here's a true or false question. There's a multiple choice question. There's a fill in the blank. There's a whole host. I can add an image on top of the video if I choose. There's just a whole host of things. Let's do a classic thing is a check for understanding. So the students are watching the video. We want to ask the students in the middle of the video a check for understanding question. So let's do a true or false. Notice it's right here. Here's the display time. I am going to click the pause the video, which means the video will automatically pause, waiting for the student to then answer the question. I can either display it as a button that the students have to click on in order to open up the question, or I can choose it as a poster. This poster means the question is automatically displayed on the screen as an overlay on top of the video. Let's do question number 1. This llama is being silly. True or false? Oh, let's make it true. Behavioral settings. I can include these behavioral settings. All right, I can include the automatically check answer, all this sort of stuff, right? And then the adaptivity. What do we do if it's wrong? I can say go back a couple of seconds and play again. Or I can allow the student to opt out. I can include some sort of messages. So all of these are, oops, that's action if it's correct. Here's the action if it's wrong. I could say, hey, go back 10 seconds, watch this video again. So there's all those customizing things that you can do. The main thing is you're going to give the course or the question a name. You're going to enter in the question. You're going to determine which one is the correct answer. And then all this other stuff is customized by you as needed. You click done. There it is. That's what it's going to look like. And you'll notice down here, I got a little circle down here. And that little circle means that's where a question is going to come up, and wha-bam. It pauses the video, it pulls up your question. You can move where you want that question to be. So if you want to put the question way over here on the screen, on the overlay, you can do that. And then let's continue. There's the noise. That's awesome. Let's insert another question right here. So I paused the video. Oh, let's do a multiple choice. Let's do a multiple choice. I want to pause the video. I want the question. I often use poster because that causes the video to pause, and it immediately gives the question as the overlay on top of the video. Let's call this question 2. Let's say this llama is, let's do available options. Let's do, this llama is an adult, a baby, and let's add another option and say carnivore. Okay. I have to indicate which answer is correct. In this case, the baby is the correct one. And again, down here, I have a whole host of customizations about how the behavioral settings and the adaptivity, what to do if the kid gets it right, what to do if the kid gets it wrong. At this point, I'm just going to click done. So now you can see down here, I have 2 questions. If I want, I could drag all the way to the end. Let's go here. There you go. And we can, ask another question. And all you have to do, pause the video where you want the question to go. Choose what kind of question, what question type you want. And then once you are done, that's step 3. You'll notice step 1, upload the video. Step 2, add your interactions. Step 3, summary task. Summary task is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want. So I don't want to. So I am just not going to do anything here. I'm just going to click save and return to course. And where's my video? There it is. Here's my llama video. Let's get out of editing mode. Now, if you want to see what this is going to look like from the student's point of view, they click on the link. Here's the video, and you'll notice as the video is going, it will stop at the circle. All right, so let me fast forward a little bit. Well, bam, it reached the circle. It paused the video. It displays the question. It's correct, and and then we click check. It's correct, and we move forward. Pretty darn cool. Let's get all the way up to this one. This llama is, okay, what llama is? Well, it's a baby. Let's click the check. Woohoo, I got it correct. I click continue, and then the movie progresses. And that is how you take a video and move it from being a passive thing where you don't really know if the student understood what they watched, and you turn it into an interactive experience where you can insert some check for understanding questions.